Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HS is losing suction, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to clogged filters or blockages in the airways. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage, reducing the efficiency of your device and potentially leading to costly repairs. To tackle this, you will need a screwdriver set, a soft brush, and a replacement filter. Let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your Dyson HS is unplugged for safety. Begin by locating the screws on the handle and base, using your screwdriver to carefully remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing, taking care not to force it as this could damage the clips. With the casing removed, you'll want to locate the filter. This is usually situated near the motor. If it appears dirty or clogged, this is likely the source of your suction problem. To remove the filter, twist it counterclockwise and gently pull it out. If it's damaged, replace it with a new one. Make sure the new filter is seated correctly before proceeding. Now, check for any blockages in the airways. You can use a soft brush to clear any debris that might be obstructing airflow. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After ensuring everything is clean and the filter is replaced, it's time to reassemble your Dyson HS. Carefully place the casing back, ensuring all clips are aligned before reinserting the screws. Tighten them gently but firmly to avoid stripping them. Finally, plug your Dyson HS back in and switch it on to check if suction has been restored. For preventative measures, make sure to clean your filter regularly and check for blockages every few months. This will help maintain optimal performance and extend the lifespan of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.